Hi Violin 2s, we're going to try playing William Tell Overture, and I'm going to play your part for you and you can practice along to me at home. And once you've done this, you can then record yourself playing your part and send it back to me. So let's give it a go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you have it. So play along to this track a few times, and then when you're ready, record yourself playing your part and send it back to me. See you all next week.